Imagine living in the wonderful community of Bullmountain with luxurious high-end homes and where nature is a priority. Today, I'd like to take you on a tour of a non-traditional tri-level with an amazing backyard that backs to green space. Let's check out this home. The formal living room off the entry is set aside from the rest of the house and offers opportunity to fill whatever need you may have in a flexible space. The dining room with the den adjacent opens up to the terrace over the garage with a territorial view. As intriguing as this floor plan is, the heart of this home is the kitchen and family room that overlook the gorgeous backyard. Oh yes, that is an adjustable pergola so that you can enjoy your patio rain or shine. Upstairs, you will find 3 bedrooms, including a spacious primary ensuite with a dreamy primary closet. Thank you for visiting this little slice of heaven with me today. If you'd like more information or would like to take a tour in person, please reach out. I'm Julie Williams, Principal Broker with Elite Real Estate.